Every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to the 280th day of my challenge where I have a perfect recipe for summer today. I'm gonna try strawberry cheesecake milkshake. I mean, if you like cheesecake and if you like strawberries, this is like the perfect recipe for you. Now, I have a request. I actually filmed trying this recipe a while back, and I thought that I would be able to post it around Mother's Day time. But then an unexpected trip, as always, popped up and I went to UK instead. So I wasn't able to edit it, to post it, and now I have, in the very end of this video, a lot of Mother's Day references, so could you please just like totally disregard those? I mean, I meant everything I said, it's just kind of, I don't know, but this recipe was so cool and I just thought that this is actually the perfect time, summer, to share it with you. So I thought, you know what, I'll just like ask you to disregard the Mom's Day talk and just enjoy the rest. So if you're curious to see how this awesome thing looks in the very end, even if you're trying this recipe for the very first time, then keep on watching. We're gonna need 3 large scoops of strawberry ice cream, 1/4 cup of milk, 50 grams of cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of sweetened condensed milk, 3 strawberries, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of lemon zest. And for toppings, we're gonna need some whipped cream, some cracker crumbs, and some more fresh strawberries. Doesn't this already look so promising? So everything for the milkshake now will go into the blender, and I'm gonna blend only until everything incorporates, not more. So just to recap, it's the ice cream, milk, cream cheese, sweetened condensed milk, lemon zest, and the strawberries. Alright, and now let's try to make it impressive. I have a glass here, I have my toppings here, so first I think I'm gonna put some whipped cream, then the crumbs, then if there's any place some strawberries, and that's it. Oh, this looks so good. If I made this, oh, I'm not centered. I'm just too excited. If I made this for my mom, I would use fresh heavy cream. I would whip it right away and top it just before serving. But me personally, I'm so weird. My favorite whipped cream is that, which you just saw, the canned one. There's just something about that, I don't know, like fakeness. Like there's something, I just love it. So for me, this heavy cream for sure. This is so like thick. Can you see? Look. Ooh. Oh. I'm so sad now. I made half the portion. Oh my god, this is so good. So good. Someone commented that I tend to become silent when I like something so much. This is so thick, so creamy. It's honestly really like sort of like cheesecake. It doesn't sound tasty when you think of blended cheesecake, but this is what it is. It has such a strong flavor of strawberries. It has this creaminess. It has my favorite whipped cream. Ooh, am I making a mess? This is amazing. My mom would love it. I'm so excited. I think I will create a playlist. I think I said that in my previous video as well, but I haven't done that yet. Well, at this moment, oh my god, YouTube world, what time is it? So I think I will create a playlist where I will pick out a couple more recipes, probably maybe one more for the breakfast and one more for the dessert. So if your mom is also keen on strawberries, this playlist will be for you, so check it out. I will leave the link in the description box down below. But oh my god, I will make this a yearly tradition. I will make something for my mom, like breakfast and sweet. This time, unfortunately, I'm miles and miles away. Ooh, look at me becoming American already. I should say kilometers and kilometers away. It doesn't sound that nice though, does it? And my mom is back in Lithuania. I'm currently in Turkey, so unfortunately I couldn't surprise my mom with these goodies, but these videos are for you, Mom. Happy Mom's Day! Belated. Oh well. So I really hope that this was fun and helpful and got you some inspiration to cook something for your mom, because you should definitely do that. If you want to see how Laura makes this amazing thing, you can check out there. Well, actually, this is just a reference to see, you know, to compare how my first time went. The actual link is there, and also in the description box down below, everything is in there. So whenever you have a question, just check there, as well as the recipe. It's both an American and metric system, so anyone can make it. And I have a feeling this will turn out to be my lunch. This is so rich. I have a feeling when I finish this, and I do have a little bit left over, I won't really want to eat anymore. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!